I could work the traffic
stuff
at the
happens.
events over at the store, Pat.
So we're going to need,
parking?
and we're going to continue. We need somebody that could come in. And Richard, are you available most Saturdays?
Good morning, Pat. Good morning, Denny. Nobody could take Denny's position, so I don't know.
Oh, Richard, what a champ you are.
Yeah. Well, these things happen. It just does. I don't know what to say about it. It's awkward.
You're acting like my dog got hit by a car in the street. Things like this don't just happen.
Oh, shoot. We weren't going to tell you about that till the second hour.
Hey, Richard, how you guys doing?
We're doing great. Everybody's busy. We're busy with the weather, the rains, and we're actually looking for a project manager. We're so busy that we need help on that end. So,
Yeah.
Hire an ex-plumber?
Yes. Stay out of my stores. I have staff problems myself without you coming around.
Employees.
Hey, Rick was out. Your son Rick was out at my son Andrew's house. It's just so funny. Two kids that were kind of
together.
They were close in high school, and I think Rick was younger when Andrew. Right? Wasn't Rick younger? How old is Rick?
Yeah, Rick's a couple years younger, and Andrew played rugby, and I just didn't remember they were that close. But,
Yeah.
I mean, when Andrew called, he said, "I'll run out there." He's a dear friend. So,
So teammates, and then Andrew had a bedroom ceiling collapse. It just
and Rick
How the heck
Rick
does
thought
that
it had
happen?
something to do with maybe jackhammering up some tile floor, maybe a cement floor of some type.
there was some recent renovations.
Makes sense to me.
Yep, and it was a plaster ceiling and fell. I mean, not like a piece came down.
Lather
The
and plaster the
entire
whole thing?
ceiling collapsed onto his bed. Thank
Richard,
God he wasn't in.
Did Rick think it was vibration? What do you think it was?
I think so. And I've got a project downtown. It's a accounting firm, and a developer's building a massive commercial space right beside them, and I mean right beside them, like 8 feet away. And they're doing the same thing, creating lots of vibration. And they've had literally plumbing in the slab break in the CPA firm from all of the activity right next door. So it's plausible.
Right. So
that is very plausible.
the funny thing is when that Andrew is pretty shook up, he thought the cat was in the rubble, and turned out the cat's fine. But he goes, what do I do now? I said, call Michaelis and have him come over and clean it up, dude. Because he's so busy.
Thanks for the referral.
He is so busy with the furniture, and it's like I don't need him over there trying to do what your company specializes in. And plus, I wanted your eyes on it anyways to see what in the world happened here.
Yeah. Would he be a good project manager?
Whoa! Now you're hiring?
No, he's late to work.
He's terrible.
Yeah, he's terrible.
And that drinking problem.
The drinking at lunch. But, he keeps it to lunch. Yeah. So I don't think you'd want him. I don't think you'd want anyone on my staff, Richard. Well, actually, there is a couple I'd like to send your way.
Richard, we're still proud to refer people to you. You're the real deal. You really are.
Well, thank you. So Acrest, it had to be a great success.
Oh, my gosh. The weather was so beautiful. We ended up having about 1,400 people plus the 200 or 300 people that are the grilling team. So it was about 1,700 people there.
And I'm guessing the same thing that always happens. People love the food so much that it runs out, and they're scurrying around trying to make more. And
although we did, we had enough food. Matter of fact, we had enough food that we had second helpings came and picked up all the leftover food the next day. So
that's pretty
so
cool.
that we didn't toss it.
Your team was making jalapeno poppers. And they got the seeds out. That's what we will say.
Good. I was going to say, I hope they took the seeds out.
Yeah. They got the seeds.
That was good. I think they had a good time, hopefully.
Hey, Pat, here's a question.
Yep.
With Dorian coming into Florida, will your company help with that? The hardware? I don't know. Supplies?
Yeah, we do. They'll do it best. We'll stage trucks out of our South Carolina warehouse. We have a warehouse in South Carolina, and those trucks will be packed and ready. And they will go.
Well, they better stay where they are because the path changed this morning and it's headed to South Carolina.
But they'll load those trailers, and then wherever they need to go, they need to go.
Excellent.
So
excellent.
Yep. So, Richard, great talking to you. Have a great holiday weekend.
Thank you.
Hopefully, you'll get to the North office.
I'm there now, but
Okay.
I'm ready to celebrate the American Workers' Day. So
there you go. Richard Michaelis from the Michaelis Corporation. The number 844-FIX-INDY. That's 844-FIX-INDY, the Michaelis Corporation. Construct, renovate, restore.